A moment, a swirl in time, blowing the winds of change. Presenting Crompton Avenza Swirl, where elegance meets superior aesthetics. Powered by Duratech technology, with superior components like high-endurance box capacitor, high-grade EMQ bearing, dual-coat winding and high-quality hybrid steel, it's designed for everlasting, robust performance. The promise of a 5-year Duratech warranty, Avenza Swirl is 3-star, energy-efficient designer fan. Avenza Swirl is available in all different sweep sizes, 1200, 900 and 600 millimeters. Choose from a range of colors and anti-dust finishes to elevate your interiors. Crompton Avenza Swirl. Step into the future.